Good morning, class. Welcome to computer classes. Now let us start our chapter number first, that is number system. What is number system? It is a set of values used to represent different quantities. For example, number of students in a class. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix, and the base is written after the number as a subscript. For example, here 15 is our number and 10 is its base, or you can say radix, and it is written as its subscript. Now, different number system. Number first is decimal number system. Decimal number system, it consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with base 10. Digits are 0 to 9 and its base is 10. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following factors. Number first is the face value of the digit, the base of the number system, and the third is the position of the digit in the number. Each position represents a specific power of the base 10. For example, the number 547 can be represented in the following way. Here 547, by taking these three parameters we will solve this. Okay, last is 7, that is its units place, means position of the digit. Units place, tens place, hundreds place. इसकी पावर स्पेसिफिक पावर क्या रहेगी इसकी 10. ओके, नाउ 7 इंटू 10 की पावर 0, 4 इंटू 10 की पावर 1, 5 इंटू 10 की पावर 2. नाउ 10 रेज टू पावर 0, किसी भी अगर नंबर की पावर 0 होती है तो वो क्या हो जाता है 1. तो 7 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 7. 4 इंटू 10 की पावर 1 है तो क्या हो जाएगा 10. तो 4 इंटू 10 इज इक्वल टू 40 एंड 5 इंटू 10 की पावर 2 है तो क्या हो जाएगा 100 एंड 5 इंटू 100 इज इक्वल टू 500. नाउ एट लास्ट वी विल ऑल sum of all these three, and that is 547. We can represent 547 in this way. Okay, now second is our binary number system. Binary number system, it consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1, and its base is 2. Because as all digital computers use this number system, because computer only understand binary code, so whatever data is entered in the computer, first of all it will convert it into binary form, then the further it converts the binary result into decimal form to generate the output. Okay, so let us see how the conversion will takes place. First of all, conversion of decimal into binary number system. So we can move step by step. First step is divide the given decimal number with the base 2. What is the base of the decimal number system? That is 10. Okay, we will divide this decimal number system with the base 2. And the second step is write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. We will write down the remainder and again divide its quotient by 2. Step 3 is repeat the step 2 till the quotient became 0. We will repeat the second step again and again till the quotient became 0. And the last step is write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary form of the given decimal number. Okay, let us take an example, that is we will convert 25 decimal number into, we will convert this into binary number. Here the base is 10, so this is decimal number. Here the base is 2, which we have to calculate, so this is binary number system. So we will take 25, and our first step is we have to divide this number with base 2. So let us divide 25 with 2. We will divide it 25 by 2, it is 12, and the remainder is 1. So we will write the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. We will do this step till the quotient became 0. So we will divide this till the our quotient became 0. Okay, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 1, then again we will divide it with base 2, here 1 0, and the remainder will become 1. Now what is our last step? Our last step is we will write the remainders obtained in the reverse order. In the reverse order, what is our reverse order? That is 1 1 0 0 1. So 1 1 0 0 1, and what is its base value? That is 2. Okay, so now let us see binary to decimal number conversion. This is our decimal to binary, and here we will learn about binary to decimal number. First step is we have to multiply each digit with its positional value, which is in term of power 2, starting from the right. Step 2, increase the power 1 by 1, keeping base fixed as 2, because we are converting the binary number into decimal number. Step 3, calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. So let us take an example, that is 10 10 with base 2. We have to convert this into decimal number. What is our first step? We have to multiply each digit with its positional value with the power in terms of 2, starting from the right. We will start from here, that is our right position. So we will multiply 0 with 2 की power 0. Next is 1, 2 की power 1. We have to increase the power 1 by 1, keeping base fixed as 2. So here our base is fixed, that is 2, and we are increasing the power 1 by 1. 0 1 2 3. Okay, 0 into 2 की power 0, 1 into 2 की power 1, 0 into 2 की power 2, 1 into 2 की power 3. Now we will solve these multiply, and at last we will calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. So their sum is 10, and our answer is 10 with its base 10, that is decimal. Okay. Now students, in next video we will continue with our other number systems. Now you please try to solve these questions on the basis of today's video lecture. Thank you students.